Hey everyone, it's Dr. J here with Divine Spine. Today we're going to be showing you a frozen shoulder protocol with my friend who's been actually affected with frozen shoulder. So we've done a few treatments and today's our second one. Alright, so we're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. So here we're addressing the supraspinatus muscle with a nice push. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Okay, James, we're going to do one more here, right at the tendon. Deep breath in through your nose. Good. Out. Push. Harder. Do a bit more. 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax. Wonderful. So now we're going to approach the middle deltoids and you're coming down straight just like that. Yep. Deep breath in through your nose. Good. And breathe out. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. That's a lot more strength than yesterday. Okay. Deep breath in. Yep. And out. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to get you down here. So this is the muscle that we see the most results with. It's essentially the latissimus dorsi. Okay. James, so you're going to give me a push. Remember, diagonal like that. Yep. Deep breath in through your nose. Yep. Okay, breathe out. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax. Good. We'll do one more here. Deep breath in. Good. Breathe out. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax. Wonderful. So we're just going to get you down here. And just at the end, we're going to look at the lower cervical joints and adjust the ones that are more restricted to allow proper nerve flow to the appropriate musculature. This is Dr. J with Divine Spine. I hope to see you here.